How to make a paper boat step by step. Fold paper in half. Then in half again. Fold the two top corners into a triangle shape. Then split in the middle and fold on each side. Open out and fold flat into a square as shown. Fold over the two corners like so. Fold up and open out. Follow the simple instructions and succeed in building your paper boat. You may need to try a few times to get the hang of it. Good luck and have fun. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did get some value from it, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.